PV graph, you know, pressure and volume graph. Pressure versus volume graph. Because we have to deal with mathematically fundamental function also, so we have to know the all kind of graph in pressure volume graph. So here I can apply the pressure and here I can assume that volume line. Okay, so if a process if driven from A to another point B and pressure is throughout the process is constant, so the pressure is constant from A to B. What I called it, if the pressure is throughout constant, I have to call it is isobaric process. I hope you are clearing the concept. Again, if I to go A to B, during the full process the volume is what? Constant. So I have to call it isochoric process. I hope it is clearing to your doubts. Again, there are two processes are remaining. First one is adiabatic and another one is isothermal. So which one is adiabatic and isothermal? I give you a hint. If the slope is greater then it is called adiabatic process. Obviously the slope is here is more, so I can write it as a adiabatic process, and one remaining that is called isothermal process. So I have assumed all the graph in pressure volume graph. Either this is isobaric, isochoric, adiabatic and isothermal. The slope of adiabatic is greater than always. I hope it is clearing. So can I go through the work done phenomena now? You have to copy all these things, like that. I have to go ahead. Okay, so work done, calculation for work done for different thermodynamical process. So first of all, for what calculate? For isobaric process. Again, the general formula what I develop, W is equal to minus P external of delta V. I hope you are getting. So isobaric, what I can write, W is equal to minus of P and delta V. In isobaric, what is thing is important? Pressure is constant. So constant term can be written outside as a P and delta V we can write. So here what I get the formula for isobaric process, that is work is minus P delta V. I hope it is clearing to you. Again, for different process, again I have to calculate the for isochoric process. What is isochoric process? Especially see that volume must be constant and delta V must be is equal to 0, because volume V2 minus V1 is always constant and delta V, what I can say, it is 0. I hope. So what I apply the formula, W equals to minus of P delta V. Delta V what I call 0. So again 0 multiplied by pressure, what is called? That is 0. So here it is a very fundamental and important that work done is 0 for what process? Isochoric process. I hope you are clearing. It is very clear to you.